This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Matthew Delcambre. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home in the heart of New Iberia, Louisiana. This well-maintained home features a spacious open floor plan, a cozy living area, and a modern kitchen with ample storage. The primary suite offers a private bath, while 2 additional bedrooms provide plenty of space. Enjoy the large backyard, perfect for gatherings or relaxation. Conveniently located near local amenities, schools, and dining. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity. For more information, review the details below.